I have minus 3 times 7/8 to the 0 power. Let me copy down minus 3, and 7/8 to the 0 power, according to the rule, is going to be equal 1. So I have minus 3 times 1. Minus 3 times 1 is negative 3. This is the solution to this problem. Now, I have sine of 30 degrees raised to power 0. Okay? If you don't know yet, sine of 30 degrees is equal 1/2. Okay? Raised to power 0. According to the definition, this is going to be equal 1. Now, x, y, z raised to power 0 is going to be equal 1 if x is different than 0, y is different than 0, and z is different than 0, because this product can never be equal 0, again according to the definition.